In this video, I will guide you how to type tilde on keyboard. The method for typing a tilde depends on whether you are looking for the standalone symbol or placing it over a letter. So let me open my on-screen keyboard. So on the most standard keyboards, the tilde is located on the top left corner. For example, here in my case, just below the escape key or along with the escape key. So hold down the Control, Shift and backtick key. For example, press the Control, Shift and here is the backtick key and type A immediately and it will be tilde over the letter. Again, you can see that Shift, Control, tilde key and press N and here you can see that. There is another method you can use the Alt code. For this you need to press this Alt key and make sure you must have numeric keyboard, and for the standard tilde you need to press 1 2 6. Press the Alt key and press 1 2 6 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. So there is another code, you can press the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 0 2 4 5 and release the Alt key, and here you can see that tilde is over the letter. Another way is that press the Alt key and press 0 2 2 7, release the Alt key. Moreover, another code is press the Alt key and press 0 2 4 1 and release the Alt key. So this way you can easily type tilde on keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.